Hey there! Let's walk through how to join an experience on Riipen and start gaining real-world, career-ready skills. You can join an experience in two main ways: with an access code from your educator or through a direct invitation from your instructor or administrator. Once you've joined, just sign up or log into Riipen. Make sure your profile's updated with your skills and interests, as this helps employers understand what you bring to the table. Once logged in, your current experience will appear in your dashboard. Or you can head to My Experiences. Not in one yet? Click Find Experiences to explore and join. Each experience includes matched projects you may be eligible to join, offering real-world opportunities that align with your academic goals. You'll see lots of projects, and you can filter them based on your interests, whether that's marketing, AI, business strategy, or more. When you find one that fits, depending on how the experience is configured, your educator may invite you directly to a project and team, or you may apply to join or join directly. Once you're in a team on a project, you're ready to get to work. You'll track progress, communicate with your team, and start tackling tasks. This is your chance to build real experience and a portfolio that shows what you can do. So, what are you waiting for? Log in, explore, and start building your future today with Riipen.